Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on today to do day 9 of Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches Challenge. And let me quickly show you the sketch because it's from Nikki Rowland for Bella Boulevard. And here we have it. So it's a bordered piece of paper. Great. Oh, let me get rid of that. Blue, can you stop fighting with Daisy? Okay. We have 3 elements here. Looks like stitching lines, title, journaling, and some embellishment bits. So super great. Also has some mixed media, and we'll see what I can work in, with what I have. So let me show you what I am working with. I am still working with my Not Just for Boys Kit Club kits. If you remember, I said I was doing day 1 through 15 with my old DT kits, not old, but past DT kits, but I'm doing them in order. So whatever comes, I'm like, okay, let me see what I can make from it. Even if I've done a bunch of layouts or whatever, if there's enough for me to do the next kit, we're gonna go for it. So I've got scraps on scraps. That's awesome. I'm really looking at this piece of paper for my photo. Oh, it's by Reminisce, and it's called Lake Life Dockside. And I'm looking at it for the oars, and I'll show you where I'm thinking with that. I'm thinking about using 3 to do, kind of mimic those 3 circles. I'm not exactly sure what I'm thinking yet, and I'm liking kind of the brighter colors of them. So this is the same. This is a great paper by Cartabella, but it's not super vibing what I'm thinking unless I'm at it. We'll see. This is a bunch of pine trees, Jen Hadfield Homemade Chasing Adventures Backwoods. And I did recently use this one. It's kind of works for what I have, so I can put it there. This one's Into the Woods from the Great Outdoors Cartabella as well. And it's a river scene. And this looks like a bunch of light bulbs in kind of a funky pattern. I use this for a hiking, an outdoorsy thing with the Nick. And then this is Outdoor Adventures multi-journaling cards, Cartabella again with that great texture, and outdoor journaling cards. Great. So I'm gonna have to get my think on just a little bit with this. Now I am planning on using the cut file that came with this kit that reads swim. Daisy, could you stop? Okay. That reads swim, and I'm not sure how I'll color that. We'll figure it out. Now, I do have this cute stencil, and that works for some of our sketch stuff. Actually, I kind of feel like putting the sketch down in front of us right now, just while I'm doing the talky bits. Let's go like this. So when I'm looking at this, it has kind of these like splatty bits, areas and whatnot, and that might be fun to work this stencil-y bit in with. Now, this kit also comes with a shimmers in Creamies Pining for You that can help for splatty bits. Oh, but wait, let's see what else we have. Got some little sequins and a wood veneer with a little boat scene, so that might be cute. And I have these Simple Stories journal bits in these tones. I'm kind of going for slightly brighter. I'll see what I can work in, and some stampy bits. So I might be able to stamp around those clusters a little bit and be a little goofy too. Now, oh, but wait, there's more. I've got this sticker sheet. It's a little darker than where I'm thinking, but I'm looking at this little fishy might work. Not quite sure. I'm looking at doing I'll show you the photo. Okay, I have these 2 photos, and this is my youngest, and we get our pups a little pool every summer, and Blue just was not interested in it for swimming. We are trying. So my daughter's in the pool. She's trying to make it fun for him. At this point, he's just interested in the drinking fountain kind of thing with it. So she's in the pool playing, and he's like, no, just not interested. So I thought it was funny to use for a swim layout. So that's what I have there. So what I need to do is figure out how I want to mat a paper using this rather outdoorsy collection for this funny photo. which my first inclination would for this is to do, you know, one of our super typical, you know, kind of summery. I know I want to use that, so let me have that out. Super typical, very uber summery stuff, but that's what I did, like these oars for that. I thought they might be kind of interesting, and if I just had 3, that kind of works for those 3 circles for me, the way my brain is kind of vibing that. Of course, I love wood grain all of the time. So if I have this, and I still have this, oh, but wait, that can go on that. Now, and would it be too dark if I bordered it on that? It's getting a little deep in color, but I don't really know if there's anything else that's bright enough. You know, I do like that I can see a little bit of the water. I'm going to use these 3 to really kick it off. Okay, so I'm going to move these 2 big papers out of the way because we want them to, you know, vibe, cooperate, etc. I know I have this that's going to work, and I'm going to get my embellishments out of the way for now too. All right, so this will be the paper it's matted on. This will get matted onto that. I think I'm going to have to scuff it up a bit, and I'm going to cut out 3 of the oars, trim my photo, and I'll be back in a minute. Check-in time. I decided to go ahead, instead of scuffing up my edges, to ink them in because these colors were, they're not the same, but similar. So I thought I should break it up a little bit. And I have my 3 colors of oars. I matted my picks on a bunch of scraps. So that's awesome. There is a little bit of craft foam between a couple of the layers as well. So I was thinking, our sketch doesn't really tell us where the photo should go. So I thought I would just go in the direction of the way Blue's looking. He's looking there. So I don't want it. I mean, I guess I could do that and put the title this way. Yeah, that looks pretty cute. Okay. So where is my T-square ruler? Let's pop that on. That's down. Let's make sure that this is pretty straight. You can still tell it's an oar with the bits over here. So I do want to get a little something in with these. So let me look for some kind of modeling paste or something like that, and I'll be right back. Quick check-in time. I did hit 2 places with some, what did I use? Vicky Bouton molding paste, our stencil, which I need to get in some water. And what else did I do? Haven't done a whole lot. I also used the handy dandy makeup brush with some Distress Oxide and mustard seed and did the word swim. I thought it was a pretty close match to this. I have a little bit of, looks like ink there, but we're not going to let that bother us. Totally fine. Not a big deal. So I did that. I'm going to get this clean. Oh, I also went ahead and looked at the sticker sheet, you know, which was rather fishing based. Note the fish. And just picked out a few things I think that I can use. The next thing I'm going to do is see what goodies work from here. Once I get the title down, we can put some extra goodies on top. And if I need chunky bits, whatever other stuff, I can always go grab it. I'm going to keep playing. Well, I'm going to let this dry. Then I'll keep playing and I'll come right back. So check-in time. I do have all of these little bits and pieces on. I wanted to make sure some of this deeper tone stuff was in a few places around the layout. I popped these little tags on that says who's in the pictures. And then I have some of these cute little bits and pieces. And what I think I'm going to do is use them to sprinkle around here, here, here. And then I can come in and hit it with some of this Creamies Pining for You as splatty bits. And that will be it for this layout. Now, does it look exactly like the sketch? No, I was very inspired. I started with this matting. Then I wanted a central design. I did love the circles though. I should revisit that sometime. Titles in about the same place with goodies down here and then splatty bits. But otherwise, it is totally different and that's okay. So I'm going to spend about 2 years getting a bunch of these sprinkly bits on because I really like them. We've got these little blue clay stars. Cute, cute, cute. Here, let me try to bring some up. We've got these really cute iridescent little clouds and some wood grain sequins. And the wood grain's great because I use wood grain not only here, but also as one of my photo mats. So I'll do that, get the Pining for You going. I should go ahead and activate it because it cooperates beautifully when you give it a second to rest. So I will do that, do splatty bits, and I will have still shots for you guys in a minute. So I'm also going to have links down below for the rest of people playing along with Christy's Beautiful Life, the 30 Days of Sketches, and as well as the Not Just for Boys Kit Club, where I scored this kit. Okay, that's it, my friends. Still shots in a second.